Okay.
Alright, if you bought the PS4 Pro and you have a Vizio TV or a LG TV, you're probably pretty pissed off right now that it doesn't work. I'm going to show you how to get rid of this crap after the update. Okay, I've already installed the update on mine, so once you install the update and your PS4 resets, you're probably going to get this no signal screen on your TV. So to fix this, make sure the PS4 is turned completely off. To do this, easiest way to do it without having to change the HDMI cable or anything else, hold the power button down for about 10 seconds and you'll hear 2 beeps, it'll turn completely off. What you want to do now is, after you've installed the update and you can't get it on the screen anymore, hold the power button down until you hear 2 beeps. There's 1. And there's 2. What that's going to do is going to put you in what's called safe mode. So you're going to come down here to set HDCP mode, and you're going to want to make sure it's on 1.4 only. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and hit 1.4 only. It's going to say the PS4 is going to restart. Hit OK. Now once the PS4 restarts, this will likely not fix the problem. There's one more step after this, so if you do this, this is not the fix. So don't turn the video off right here, because this is not it. You have to do something else after this. So the PS4 is going to restart, which takes 25 years to do. Alright, so as you can see, the PS4 has restarted and it's not on the TV. So what we're going to do now is hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Now the PS4 is going to turn itself completely off. Alright, so the PS4 is completely off again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to safe mode again, so hold it until you hear the second beep. Alright, now that's going to put us back in safe mode again. So now from here, you're going to want to go to change resolution. You're going to hit X on change resolution. It's going to tell you that after restarted, select the video output. You're going to hit OK. Now, once the PS4 restarts this time, it's going to put you in a menu where you can change the resolution. So this time, it should come back up on your screen now. So here we go, it's restarting. Okay, from here, you're going to want to come up here and select, it says 2160p-YUV420. That's the output resolution you're going to want to click. Do not select this one. Make sure you pick 2160p-YUV420. Hit X on that. And as you see up here, it says 2160p, and I've got it back on the screen here. So now, that's not, now I'm going to show you another thing that I haven't seen online anywhere. Come over to settings. We're going to come down to sound and screen, and we're going to hit video output settings. You're going to want to go to video output information. Now, as you can see right here, it says HDCP 1.4. Currently this PS4 is set to use only HDCP 1.4. When using HDCP 1.4, applications that support 4K might not display in 4K. This part, I'm going to show you how to get this gone, so you don't have to worry about this crap. So now, what you want to do here is, same thing we've been doing. You're going to turn the PS4 completely off. Okay? It's pretty annoying that You pay $400 and you have to go through this crap. Okay, now the PS4 is completely off. We're going to do the same thing again, safe mode. So hold it till you hear the second beep. Okay, now we're going to go back to safe mode. This time we're going to come back down to set HDCP mode. This time you're going to want to hit automatic. PS4 is going to restart. This should fix your problem now. So you can see I'm not I'm not doing anything here, and now when it reboots back up, you see how my resolution is 2160p here. Just to show you that I didn't trick you and plug something else in. Okay, so now we're coming back up. Now, I'm going to show you guys so that way you can see exactly what happened here. We're going to come back up, go all the way back over to settings. We're going to come back down to sound and screen, video output settings, video output information. Now you see my HDCP is 2.2. I no longer get that message saying that it might not do 4K. And that's it. That's until they fix this shit, whatever the hell happened. That's a way to go ahead and get around it and get it out of that stupid mode where you can still enjoy the 4K part of it. It's